VibroSense is an application-specific neuromorphic front-end chip for vibration raw data preprocessing. In modern production, always-on machine health monitoring is the best way to avoid breakdowns. For that, equipment vibrations are sampled and sent to the cloud. Analytical software can detect abnormalities. Transmitting high-frequency signals to the cloud requires a complex infrastructure and high bandwidth, and data center capacity is expensive. Large data flows increase total costs, which is a major obstacle to wide adoption of predictive maintenance solutions and shift to wireless sensors. The VibroSense chip solves many of these problems. The neuromorphic front-end extracts data patterns at the sensor level with the 100 microwatt power consumption, reducing the data flow by more than 1,000 times. This solution saves a lot of resources for the predictive maintenance industry and opens new opportunities for using wireless sensors. The low latency and ultra-low power consumption of the VibroSense chip radically improve power budgets for sensor nodes, enabling narrowband wireless communications and energy harvesting-based solutions.